In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your July dump photo trend on Facebook 5 minutes. The July dump is a fun, casual way to wrap up your month with a single post full of your favorite snapshots. No pressure, just memories. We'll keep it simple and get it done quickly. Start by opening Facebook in your browser or the Facebook app. Once you're on your home feed and ready to share, look for the box at the top that says what's on your mind. This is your post composer and it's where everything begins. Tap or click that box to open the full composer. You'll see a few quick options, but to reach the full set, choose the 3-dot more option. This opens the expanded menu where you can add different types of content to your post. From that list, select photo video. Facebook may ask for permission to access your photos. Approve that so you can pick your images. Now select your chosen July photos. Think of a highlight reel, weekends out, quiet mornings, sunsets, meals, and little candid moments. On a computer, you can hold Control or Command to pick multiple images at once. On mobile, tap each photo to check it. Aim for variety and a manageable count so the post feels cohesive and not overwhelming. After your photos load into the composer, take a moment to reorder them if you want. You can usually drag to rearrange or use small arrows to adjust the sequence so your favorite shots appear first. Next, add your caption. A clean July dump matches the trend perfectly, but feel free to add a short line for context, an emoji or two, or the date range if that helps tell the story. Keep the vibe relaxed and authentic. These posts are about the month as it happened, not perfection. If you notice a typo or want to tweak your caption later, you can edit the post after it goes live. When everything looks good, hit next. This gives you a quick preview of the post. Scan for any out of order images or captions that need a quick fix. Also, glance at your audience selector to make sure you're sharing with the right people. Finally, click post. Facebook will upload your photos and publish your July dump to your timeline. Give it a moment to process, then open the post to make sure everything appears the way you intended. And that's it, your July memories neatly wrapped in one shareable post. Enjoy the reactions and feel free to repeat the same flow next month for a consistent monthly recap.